Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, might top the charts for the most versatile beauty ingredients. In concentrated pastes, it is a powerful and natural deep cleaner. The reason baking soda works so well is because it's alkaline, and when combined with water, makes the water slightly more alkaline too. Adding baking soda to your bath can reduce irritation and itching, and also provide detoxifying benefits. Well, in this video, we will show you 5 reasons why you should add baking soda to your next bath. Number 1. Soothes eczema. Eczema is an incredibly common, yet not exactly curable skin condition, and only eczema sufferers know how itchy and uncomfortable it can be. Studies have found that frequent baking soda baths can help to relieve the itching that eczema usually comes with. Getting rid of that itchy feeling is key to soothing flare-ups and healing skin. Number 2. UTI relief. There might not be a woman alive that's never had a UTI before. Urinary tract infections incredibly common, but we all know how embarrassing and stressful they can be. A nice long soak in a baking soda bath can help relieve the discomfort of a UTI, alongside your doctor's treatment plan. Number 3. Detoxify your body. Baking soda is amazing for cleansing and detoxifying your whole body, boosting your immune system and eliminating any toxin buildup. Baking soda draws impurities and toxins out of the skin while softening it at the same time. Number 4. Get rid of skin fungus. Baking soda has unique antifungal properties that could help resolve skin or nail fungus issues. The fungus will sometimes show itself as a discolored nail or an odd rash. Having regular soaks in a baking soda bath can help stop any itching and get your skin back to normal. Number 5. Sore muscle relief. Combined with another must-have for everyone's medicine cabinet, Epsom salts, also known as magnesium sulfate, baking soda is perfect for soothing sore muscles after a gym session. Recovery is key to making progress at the gym, so be sure to do a muscle soak at least once a week. So, these are 5 reasons why you should add baking soda to your bath. Do try them to experience the difference. Also, do try our beauty app also, links are in the description.